Well, this is odd. I can't read any of these words. What's going on here? Oh, I know. I gotta turn the book this way. Wait, that's not... Oh, you know what? It's this way. Oh. Whoops! Forgot that I was recording this video. I am Mr. Grant. Welcome to your math video for today. Let's look at our learning target. It is, I can use place value understanding to round whole numbers to any place. So there are 3 ways we're going to learn about that you can do this. One of these is using a number line. So let's say that I'm rounding, well, first off, let's back up and look at, well, actually, we'll just go on. Let's say that I'm rounding 856 to the nearest 10. I want to see what 10 this is closest to. This could be like, you want to see if you have enough money to buy something. So this is where that rounding really helps. So here's my number line. So I'm going to ask myself, what 2 multiples of 10 are closest to 856? Let's see, I'll start counting in 800. So 800, 810, 830, or 20, 830, 840, 850, 860. Well, 850 and 860 are my closest. I'm going to put 856. Oh, I got to back up. I got to put what number's halfway between. So that's 855. 856 goes here. So that tells me that 856 rounded to the nearest 10 is 860. So that's one way of doing this. Here is a second way of rounding. Let's say that I have this roller coaster called the Kingda Ka, and it's 3,118 feet. And I want to know what that is rounded to the nearest 1,000. So here's another way I can do this. What I can do is take this digit, write it here, turn the rest into zeros. Then what I can do is add 1 to this digit I'm rounding, since I'm going to the nearest thousands, and ask myself, which number is this closest to, 3,000 or 4,000? This is closer to 3,000, so this rounded to the nearest 1,000 is 3,000. Here is a third way you can do this. Let's say that I am 6,595 feet tall. I am a giant, a huge giant. And I want to know about what that is to the nearest 1,000. So now what I can do is I'm going to start here, since this is where I'm rounding to, the thousands place. And I'm going to look to the digit to the right, which is this one, and ask myself, is it less than 5 or higher than 5? If it's less than 5, I round down. If it's greater, I round up. So if it's 5 or more, I round up. So this would be 7,000 feet. Here's what I want you to do in your math journal. You have some number lines that are like this. They say lower number, halfway number, and then they say higher number. If we're looking at that example that I did earlier of 800, rounding 856, so if I'm rounding 856 to the nearest 10, this would be 850, 860, here's 855, I write 856 there, and it helps me know it's closer to 860. In your math journal today, I need you to do page 7, number 1 through 3. These must be done. We're not going to have time to work on them in group. I will see you in group.